Do you know that ChatGPT can now create AI agent that work for you automatically for all your work? So instead of repeating the same task every day, an AI agent can help you research information, organize your ideas, generate your content, answer some questions, and handle repetitive work with minimal effort from you. Yes, whether you're a content creator, business owner, student, or even a professional, AI agents can save your time, improve your productivity, and help you get more of your work done faster. Yes, so in this video I will show you step by step how to create your own AI agent in ChatGPT, how to customize it for your needs, and how you can use it to make your work very easy. Okay, if this is your first time of watching my video, I welcome you to my channel Learn with Chi. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Love this video, give it a thumb up, and also share it for others to learn. Okay, now when you come here, this is my ChatGPT. Okay, so when you come here, all you have to do is look up here. You see these two horizontal line by your upper left hand. You tap on it. Okay, when you tap on it, you will see so many options. Okay, you tap on project. When you tap on project, you can see this is my AI agent. Okay, now when you tap on project, you tap on this plus sign. Okay, when you tap on this plus sign, this is where you will name your agent. Okay, it can be your agent that generate prompt for you, agent that tell you some maybe if you have a question, agent that answer some question for you, you understand, agent that create prompt for you, agent that design your flyer for you. You can name it anything, though there are some names there that they give you an option to select from: homework, investing, writing, health, travel. Just leave all of this. Okay, come to this box here where they say AG party planning. Type there. My let's say my AI agent on prompt. Okay, yes, on prompt. Okay, after you are done naming it, you look down here, you type on great project. Okay, it's creating. Okay, now this is it, my AI agent on prompt. Okay, this here will give you, as in this, because you name it my AI agent on prompt. Anytime you needed a prompt, any kind of prompt you needed, even if you have a flyer or anything that you want to get a prompt, bring it here. It's going to do that work for you. Okay, you can create agent on whatever, anything. Once you open that agent, the agent already know why you are here for. Okay, now once you done getting your name, you tap on this three dots line by your upper right hand here. When you tap on it, you see so many options: new project tab, edit, and all that. Okay, come to new project tab. Okay, now what you're gonna do is, let's say hi. Yeah, just interesting conversation. So how are you doing today? What can I help you with? Now, this is all about it. Okay, all you have to do is click on this three dots line again. Okay, you come here, you pin it, you tap on pin so that it will be on the surface of your day or of your chat GPT anytime you open it. Okay, let's go and see it. Let's go and see it. You see it here, my 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 AI agent on prompts. Okay, now you tap on it. You also pin project. Now let's go back, let's see it. Now you can see it here, guys, my AI agent on prompt. Okay, now let me just show you small example on how to use this agent for your prompts, anything you want. Okay, when you come here, okay, let's go back. Okay, let's go back, sorry, let's go back. Okay, let's go on new chat. Okay, now you come here, you want to use this agent to prompt anything. Okay, you open your chat, you open your chat GPT. When you open it, this is the interface. You click on this two horizontal line by the left upper hand. Now you will see the my AI agent on prompt. Okay, now you tap on it. When you tap on it and it's open, if you want any prompt on anything, okay, you're gonna get it here. This agent already know that when you come here, the purpose of you coming here is to get prompt for anything. You understand? Not to ask any other question, or to ask for, or to solve a problem, or to solve a question. Here is for prompt. This agent, its work is to do what? Prompt your work, give you a prompt of what you want, or prompt anything you brought in here for it to do for you. Okay, now let me just give you a little example of how you can use this agent. Okay, now this is the chat. Okay, if you want to ask anything here, you're gonna ask. Okay, let's click on this plus sign here. Let's click on this plus. I want to bring in a file or a video and ask this agent to give me the prompt. Okay, now if you see any video you want on the internet, any Facebook, any flyer, birthday or what, I have seen so many people, when they see someone's birthday picture, the person say, this is AI, I generated this with AI, and people will be pleading with that person to please drop your prompt, drop your prompt. You don't need to do that. Just save the video, come here, your agent is gonna do it for you. Okay, now let's go. Okay, let's say I want a prompt for this. Okay, let's say I want a prompt for this flyer. I want a prompt for this flyer. Once you brought it in, okay, just say ChatGPT that, hi, please, I want you to take take a look at this flyer. Take a look at this flyer and give me the prompt. Yes, give me the prompt exactly the way it is here, exactly the way it is in this flyer. Okay, in this flyer. Okay, you send, just watch it. It's going to generate. Look at it, it's going to generate a prompt. Look at it, guys. AI flyer prompt. Okay, promotional flyer for an online course. Guys, this is it. This is it. No, we have everything so easy in our hand. Okay, but some people, if they don't know it, they don't know it. That's why I always say that what you don't know is bigger than you. Now, you don't need to go begging people, please give me your prompt, I love this, give me your prompt, drop your prompt. Guys, even if it's a video, brought it here, say your agent to give you the this thing, to give you the prompt, you can regenerate it. Okay, you can, it must not be exactly like this, you understand? It must not be exactly like this. Okay, you can, remove some things, like you can, maybe it's you're teaching another thing that is not this AI human anatomy video, you understand? You can put your own course name and all that. But if you want it to look like exactly what you saw on the street of the internet, you can bring it here, ask your agent to do what, give you the prompt. Okay, that's the importance of having an agent on ChatGPT. Okay, now you can have agents on, agent on creating your, agent on answering your question, especially if you're a student. You understand? You can, if you're a student, you have so many courses on GLS, 101 GLS, do this and that. Just come here, create your agent, and tell the agent, I want you to be answering question on this mathematics, on this English, on this physics, chemistry. So that when you open that agent, the agent will know that yes, he come here for physics question or for any thing that you name it. Okay, so this will make your work so easy. So guys, this is how to create your agent on chat GPT to make your work so easy. Okay, if you are work to this end, congratulations, because you have learned how to create your agent today. Okay, again, kindly share this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.